Hey guys, T here. I got this old triangular file that's dull and beyond repair. I'm going to make a scraper out of it. I'm going to grind off the teeth and clean it up and hone it down so it's nice and sharp. Scrapers are real good for scraping pieces of paint off here and there or cleaning up a piece of metal. I like to have them around. I like them sharp. So please subscribe, guys, if you will. Hit the bell for notification. Let's get going. Here's what we got so far. It needs to be flatter. We're going to try to hollow grind this to make flattening a little easy. This may be the end of this video. Not horrible. Made a little handle. And we'll put this boy in here and hammer it in. Then we're going to sand this down some more. Didn't split yet. Well, it looks pretty good. I think we want to go to the diamond now and see if we can flatten it more. We've got a little something to do here. Oh. So let's try our little scraper. See if it does anything. Oh yeah. Cool. Okay. Got some corrosion here. Cuts it right off. So now we got a real sharp scraper made out of a real dull triangular file. And part of the cool thing with this scraper is it's got 3 sides. So while you're scraping, you dull that side, just flip it over a little bit and scrape some more. It cuts down how much you have to sharpen. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you soon.